Hey, morning everyone. It's Dave behind the camera. There's Ray and Carter, and welcome to another video of Projects Around with Dave and Ray. Today we're going to be building a wall. Alright, these blocks are they weigh like 78 pounds. They're heavy suckers. So we're going to be building a retaining wall in here. Company dropped off the block and the bag of 1.5-inch river rock. I think about 3/4 of a ton here. We'll show you what that does. You got to fill up the blocks within the empty spaces in the block, and then you get about 12 inches behind the wall. Right, we painted a line here that's 12 inches away from the asphalt. That needs to be CA6 all in there. Now we put in a bunch. This is actually CA6 here. We put this in earlier this fall. Now we started out, that's our lowest point here. Now we go level from that low point back and stair step it up. But Ray's going to cut along the back of this here down, and we're going to make sure we have 6 inches of CA6 in there. It's recommended 12 inches on a base, but we're only going to go at the most 2 blocks high. I think 6 inches compacted down in here, we ought to be good. I'm not going to overkill it. All right. That's about all we're going to go right there. Just leaves a little bit of pipe hanging out. I don't know if you guys can see that pink string. Alright, so these 2 blocks here, if you look, I'm going to have to take a chalk line, snap a line there, and cut that straight with the saw. Let me go get a chalk line. I'll get that cleaned up. Alright, my wife helped me snap a chalk line. See the blue line? I need to get that straight so the wall sits nice and flush against here. So let me start up the saw and we'll get going. Alright, so now the asphalt's cut nice and straight, and then that down there is just clay. I'll shovel that all out. That is nice and level. Got those two back ends straight. Tamping down this here. Okay. And then we'll start doing our second course. I, on the other hand, am going to go get a glass of water. Alright, let's catch you up. We've been working here for about an hour and a half. And frankly, I forgot to do any recording. So Ray's getting ready to put the first capstone on this. Go around right here. And we finished cutting these and putting these in. That was loads of fun. Got the end ones cut with the end grain right there. We did that on the other side, so they're good. They're good. Alright, it's been about an hour since that we've been working here. I want to show you this. Right here is the last of the course of block. And then this end of the capstone is sitting on CA6. Now the reason we did that is we can't get any more block in because right here is the drain pipe. Right here is the footing to the house. So we weren't able to, we just packed this whole area full of CA6. There's probably 12 inches in there. It's pretty decent base. I don't think it's going to go anywhere. So, and we pulled a masonry string, as you can see, so we can keep our walls straight. We're just going to go keep on going right back. It's staying nice and level for now. Hope we don't run into problems with that drain pipe farther on down. We'll bring you back here in a few minutes after we get a couple more pieces in. Alright, let's see what that looks like if we go all the way to the outside, and we'll cut a groove in it, like the other one. Huh? Did you hit record?
Yeah.
Excellent. People don't. Oh, they are a couple.
That's going on. He really is married.
I got to cut that down.
Why do you have to cut it down?
See the setback they have here and here?
Yeah.
Well, the factory has one here. We've got to make that one there.
So we finished up all of the capstone. showed some video of that. We just gotta glue them all down.
Alright, so Ray's getting the last of the rock in. The wall is all the way done. All the way up. We put some of that river rock in behind here. Had to cut that last little piece in here. You can see part of the driveway is falling away, but like I was telling you earlier in the video, this driveway is junk. It's old. 28 years old. So it's kind of lived its life. But I got a quote to do this in concrete. We're looking at almost $10,000. So I'm going to hold off on that for a while. I don't think that's Dave and Ray's projects around. I don't A, have the equipment, and B, the knowledge to do it. So we'll hire that out. But next time you see both of us working up here in the front yard, we'll be doing landscaping, all this. Ray works as ground supervisor for a company. So he does all kinds of landscaping. We're going to come up with a nice plan for here. A mixture of flowers and bushes and perennials and annuals, and so we'll have it looking nice, and we'll bring you back when we do that. It should be in a couple weeks. Until then, thanks for joining us. Thanks for watching. If you like what we're doing, please give us a big thumbs up. Smash that like button. Hit the bell so you get notifications when we have a new video up, and please share them with your friend. Thanks a lot.